In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add delivery time in WooCommerce. By the end, you'll have a simple way for customers to choose when they want their order delivered, which can reduce confusion, improve satisfaction, and help you plan fulfillment more efficiently. Start by opening your WordPress website and heading to your dashboard. From the left-hand menu, find WooCommerce. This is the control center for your store, where you manage products, orders, and extensions. Click WooCommerce and then select Extensions. The Extensions area is like an app store for your shop, letting you add new features without touching code. Inside Extensions, use the search bar and type Delivery Time. You're looking for a plugin that adds delivery date or time selection to the checkout. You may see a few results, so choose one that clearly mentions delivery time or delivery date options for WooCommerce. When you've found the right one, click it to open its details page. Review the description and screenshots to confirm it fits your needs, then click Install and Activate. You may see two buttons, Install Now followed by Activate. That's normal. Once activation completes, the feature is added to your site. After activating, take a moment to explore the plugin. Most delivery time tools let you set which days you deliver, define time windows, and add lead times so customers can't pick a slot sooner than you can fulfill. You can usually customize the label that appears at checkout, decide whether the delivery selection is required, and set cutoff times to prevent last-minute bookings. Some plugins also let you block holidays, limit the number of orders per time slot, and show or hide delivery choices based on shipping methods. These options help you balance customer choice with your operational capacity. If you don't immediately see where to configure things, look for a new menu item in the dashboard or a tab within WooCommerce settings labeled Delivery, Delivery Slots, or Checkout. Preview the checkout page on a test product to confirm the delivery picker appears and looks good with your theme. If changes don't show right away, refresh your browser, clear any caching, and try again. It's also a good idea to place a test order so you can see how the selected delivery time appears in the order details. That's it. You opened your WordPress site, went to WooCommerce, used extensions, searched for delivery time, installed and activated the plugin, and explored its settings to tailor delivery options for your store. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.